In the midst of social distancing and business lockdowns, a freelance writer and a graphic artist bought a bus, converted it into a tiny home on wheels, and moved out of our 4-bedroom house. 1 year later, we downsized to a Chevy Express. Now we travel between Texas and Pennsylvania from April through November while exploring small towns with rich histories. In the winter, we hunker down in Texas in our schoolie and dream of our next big trip.
We're Alan and Teresa.
And we're rolling with our gnomies.
Good morning, folks.
Good morning. It's Friday, February, 11th?
Something like that.
All right, so what did we do this week?
I don't know. Nothing. I don't know.
We got the new charge controller. We got to put that on the van.
Yeah, I got to
put it. It came in the mail.
Came in the mail. The other one died on the way back from Pennsylvania, and you just gonna have to be found on the road dead. Because there you go.
So we're gonna get that all set up so we can get back on the road, which we're hoping to do this spring.
At some point.
But it's mostly been family business this week, and went and saw my sister yesterday at the hospital, and she's looking good. She's lucid and attentive and responsive and stable condition. So we're hoping to get better news this morning. So my niece goes up and visits, and the doctor should be there, and this is usually the time of the day, early in the morning, when they make the decisions about how to adjust her vitals and ventilator and other numbers that they're looking at. But the good sign is that, they were looking for stability after flipping her over on her back 2 days ago, and they wanted to see how she would respond to that and staying on her back, whether she could breathe and be stable. And she's proven that she has been stable for 2 days, lying on her back. So we're kind of looking forward to seeing.
We're a bit hopeful.
Yeah, we got a lot of hope, and we've
conservatively been hopeful.
And we're confident at this time that things are looking good. So we'll just see what the doctors say next.
Guess so.
What else?
It's warm outside.
It is warm. It's
going to be 76 today.
It's been getting warmer, and that's a good sign. So
that's a sign that it's almost time to roll that van.
It's almost.
It gets too hot in Texas, I got to go.
Well, it ain't too hot yet, but we did have an event coming up in February, toward the end of the month. We're still not sure if we're going to make it. We've already signed up for it, paid for it, the 19th through the 26th, I think, or something like that. But we're not sure if we're going to go till we know really more how Tammy comes through long term and what that situation looks like. So we won't know probably for about another week, I think. And otherwise,
that's what we got.
Kind of taking it day by day.
Yeah. And we got the second half of Palestine coming up on Monday.
Yep, Palestine.
It's actually going to be 3 videos because there's 2 for the buildings and 1 for the houses.
Yeah, if you haven't seen the first video, check it out. It's already published. It went up Monday.
It did.
And then the second part of that will go up this coming Monday, and then we'll have a house tour.
Yeah, then we have the houses toured.
And Palestine's a really neat town. So
it really is. Although,
it.
I'm kind of glad I didn't live there in the early time. Because you could get shot for a whole lot of things in Palestine.
Yeah. They like shooting people in Palestine.
It was the Wild West.
They had a lot of gunfights there in Palestine, and
But they have some really, really cool buildings. In fact, that jail, the jail right there on the square.
yeah,
And it still has bars in the windows.
historic jail with bars still in it.
The
So,
fact that the new owners kept the bars in the windows is highly impressive.
yeah, so we think you'll like Palestine. We liked it. We went there twice.
We went 2 different days, yeah.
Shot good video, and so we think you're gonna like it. And
that Catholic church is nothing to sneeze at either.
we may get out this weekend sometime, maybe, and shoot out some more. If the weather's nice, which it looks like it's going to be.
It's going to be 76 out there today.
Yeah, it's going to be 76 today, so I don't think we'll get to shoot video today. We got other business we got to do.
We got to do some laundry.
We got laundry to do.
We got to do some laundry.
Go grocery shopping, and
we're scraping the bottom of the bucket here on clothes.
Promised my brother-in-law we'd pay him a visit this evening, so we're going to go and pay him a visit. So
play some games.
Yeah, and be an encouragement to him.
And we'll see what the rest of the day brings.
Yep. So that's it for this
That's
week.
your update, folks.
Mostly family business, and just working the business. I am getting my book wrapped up on crypto social, how cryptocurrencies are changing social media. We're wrapping up the final details now with my publisher, and I should very soon have a publication date, which is going to be sometime in March. So stay tuned for that.
Okay.
Yep.
We'll see you Monday, folks.
Yep. Have a good weekend. God bless. We love you. Alright, if I don't do this right, then I'm going to be on the bad side of my wife. So y'all bear with me and pray for me. But while you're doing that, don't forget, share us with your friends. Like us if you like us. Like us if you don't. Subscribe to the channel. It helps us out. God bless.